Hello, everyone. We will continue to study the installation of other components of the fire automatic alarm system. During a fire, it is crucial that everyone is informed immediately. To prevent congestion in evacuation routes and exits due to staggered evacuations, it is required that emergency broadcasts be simultaneously broadcast throughout the entire building once the fire is confirmed. The timely and accurate activation of the fire automatic alarm system plays a critical role in ensuring personnel's safety. Therefore, the standardized installation of emergency broadcast speakers, fire alarm devices, and strobe light alarm devices is essential. The installation of emergency broadcast speakers, fire alarm devices, strobe light alarm devices, and gas fire suppression system manual and automatic control status display units should meet the following requirements. 1. Speakers and fire alarm sound devices should be evenly installed within the alarm area. When speakers are installed in corridors, the distance from the end of the corridor should not exceed 12.5 meters. 2. Fire strobe light alarm devices should be installed in conspicuous locations such as stairwells, in front of fire elevators, and at internal building corners. They should not be installed on the same wall as emergency evacuation signs and lights. If installation on the same wall is necessary, they should be at least 1 meter apart. 3. Gas fire suppression system manual and automatic control status display units should be installed in prominent locations within the protected area. Strobe light alarm devices should be installed outside the protected area and above exit doors. 4. When installed on a wall, the bottom edge should be higher than 2.2 meters from the ground. 5. Installations should be secure and without surface damage. Backup batteries for emergency power supplies are primarily used to ensure the normal operation of fire automatic alarm systems during power outages. The installation of emergency power supply and backup battery storage for fire equipment should meet the following requirements. 1. They should be installed in well-ventilated areas. If installed in sealed environments, ventilation measures must be provided. The ambient temperature at the battery installation site should not exceed the battery's specified operating temperature range. 2. They should not be installed in areas with fire or explosion hazards. 3. Acidic batteries should not be installed in locations containing alkaline substances, and alkaline batteries should not be installed in locations containing acidic substances. The installation of fire door monitoring modules and field components such as electric door closers, releases, and door magnetic switches should meet the following requirements. 1. The length of the connecting wires between the fire door monitoring module and field components such as electric door closers, releases, and door magnetic switches should not exceed 3 meters. 2. The fire door monitoring module, electric door closers, releases, and door magnetic switches should be securely installed. 3. The installation of door magnetic switches should not compromise the sealing between the door leaf and the door frame. In the event of a malfunction of any field component, the bus short circuit isolator can isolate the faulty component, ensuring minimal impact on the overall system functionality. The shape and base of the bus short circuit isolator are shown in the diagram. The working principle of the bus short circuit isolator is as follows. When a short circuit fault occurs in the circuit connected to the isolator's output, the internal self-resetting fuse in the isolator disconnects, and simultaneously, the relay in the internal circuit engages, completely disconnecting the circuit connected to the isolator's output. After repairing the bus short circuit fault, the relay releases, the self-resetting fuse restores conductivity, and the circuit connected to the isolator's output is reintegrated into the system. Bus short circuit isolators should be installed on the system bus. Each bus short circuit isolator should not protect more than 32 points of fire detectors, manual fire alarm buttons, modules, and other fire equipment. When the bus crosses a fire partition, a bus short circuit isolator should be installed at the crossing point. The terminal diagram of the bus short circuit isolator is shown in the diagram. Z1, Z2 indicate the input signal bus polarity, and Z01, Z02 indicate the output signal bus polarity. Installation holes are used to fix the base shell, with a center distance of 60 mm between the two installation holes. Ensure the arrow on the base shell points upwards during installation. Follow the isolator's nameplate to connect the bus to the corresponding terminals on the base shell, and insert the isolator into the base shell. In practical applications, simply connecting the isolator to the bus completes the installation, as shown in the diagram. In this lesson, we have learned about the installation requirements for emergency broadcast speakers, fire alarm devices, strobe light alarm devices, gas fire suppression system manual and automatic control status display units, emergency power supplies, backup battery storage for fire equipment, fire door monitoring modules, and bus short circuit isolators. Next lesson, we will study the construction requirements for fire control rooms together.